Hey, it's your girl Chab, and today I'm coming at you with a makeup tutorial and review on the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil eyeshadow palette here. It is filled with bright, bold, and neon shades right here. I am living my colorful rainbow life today, and we got this nice, beautiful, rounded cut crease here that I'm going to show you how to do. So if you want to get this look, and if you want to know the deets on this palette, then let's get started. All right, guys, I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette right here. This is a sequel, a reimagined, according to the website, a reimagined version of the Take Me to Brazil palette, hence Take Me Back to Brazil. BH Cosmetics has been known to be an affordable brand that gives you a wide variety of like foundation, brushes is one that they're really well known for, lipsticks, any kind of face product, they got it. And especially the eyeshadows is what put them in the public's eyes for sure. They used to have those huge like 180 or 120 or something like that. I don't know. I used to have those palettes like back in the day, back in the like roaring 20s. But yeah, those palettes and stuff were like a staple to everybody. That and Coastal Scents, they both came out with like similar things and stuff. But BH Cosmetics still ended up staying relevant, and here we are today with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. So I have my phone right here. It's on silence on autopilot, hashtag not sponsor. We got this on their website here. So BH Cosmetics here has the Take Me Back to Brazil 35 color pressed pigment palette, okay, and this is for $18. That's how much I paid for. I actually bought this from Ulta, which they now carry. BH Cosmetics at Ulta, congrats to them. I'm on the BH Cosmetics website right now, and it says that it's on sale right now. Currently, as I'm filming, it is on sale for $13.50. So already affordable, $18 regular price, and now it's $13.50. That's great. You save 25% off. No codes or anything. You just add it to cart and check it out. Anyways, what it says on the website, it says, celebrate our wildly popular Take Me to Brazil palette, now reimagined with 5 additional super pigmented hues, variety of bright and bold colors, high rich color payoff, ability to create various looks, velvety smooth matte and creamy bright shimmers, black shade to deepen any color, allergy tested and cruelty free. If you want to go on their website and buy it, it's only 2 per customer. It's limited because, you know, this is on high demand. The ratings on this is 5 stars. We're already prefacing this very well. It has 2,388 reviews currently. And yeah, I think this is a pretty cool palette. Here is the story right here. So like they said, they have all these bright, beautiful colors. They got a lot of neons. They got a lot of bright colors. You pretty much have every single color you could think of if you want to do like bright colors. And then right here, there are 2 like duochrome pigments. So right now they look white on the screen here, but this one is actually like an iridescent green, and this one I believe is like a pink. It's a pink, okay, yeah. And then this one right here is black. And so like what they said in there, you can dip into this color and then just darken up any eyeshadow. So anyway, I'm gonna be recreating a look that I did on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram right here, okay? We're gonna be recreating a look, and so we're gonna get started with that right now. So I'm gonna be recreating this look. Let me just pull it up for you real quick on my phone. If you don't follow me on Instagram, why not? Anyway, this is the look I'm gonna be doing, giving you catfish realness, touching my face or whatever. So we're gonna be doing like a tropical look because we want to incorporate color. Obviously, that's how we're gonna do it, but we're not gonna go for like just these colors. We're gonna go for like greens and stuff. So we're gonna do that today. So anyway, let me prime my eyes. I will be using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and then I have the shade Eden. And I've been using this and not setting it. I've been on that non-setting your eye primer trend. These trends again to me. So let me just brush up my eyebrows real quick, get them out of the way, and then we're gonna prime. Eyes are primed, they are ready to go. I look crazy per usual. The look isn't going to be beautiful until like the very end when you pop on the lashes and you have the whole face and the whole fantasy is coming to life. So yeah, I just want to preface that, since you know it's gonna look crazy for a little bit and then you're gonna probably click away because you're like, ew. Anyway, so let me get into this palette real quick. You got a nice big old mirror here. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. As you can see, it's like a neon yellow green. I'm gonna pop that on the crease. Giving you highlighter realness. Not the highlighters, like the glowy highlighters, but like the school highlighters where you have the, you know what I'm talking about, okay? Next, I will be going into the shade right under that. It is a bright green, and then we're just gonna keep transitioning. I wanna use a lot of colors out of these palettes, so yeah. All right, now going in with the green, this green right here on the 5th row, 3rd down. I'm gonna take that green and I'm gonna start to deepen up the crease. So next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my primer again, and I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. This I actually got from like the Naked 3 palette right here, where they have like the duo-sided brush. And I'm actually gonna take the fluffier side, which I use to blend out my concealer. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just squeeze it. It already has some product on it. And what it does is it creates this kind of dome shape right here. And pretty much what I'm doing is I'm manipulating the brush hairs so that I can just pat it on and make like a cut crease, but like rounded, not so much like winged out. I'm gonna make it round. I saw this shape on Mitchell's Instagram, also P. Louise Academy. They do the same thing too. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some on my eyelid really quick and then round it out with this brush. Both eyes, obviously, so let's go. All right, so they're not totally even. I don't even care. We're gonna keep moving on. So I'm gonna go into this neon orange right here, and I'm gonna take it on a flat brush, and I'm gonna just pat it on to like the outer corner of this half circle we have going on here. Now that I have that color on, I'm going to go in my color switch and just do a little bit of this action here. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna remove the dust from the eyeshadow so that there's no product on it. It's just a little stain, that's all. I'm gonna go into the yellow here. Now there's 2 yellows. They look exactly the same to me, so I just do a little bit of this, a little bit of that, whatever. And I'm gonna pack this into the inner corner, the inner part of my eye that I left blank. So what I'm doing when I'm packing on the shadow is I'm just going back and forth between each shade. So the yellow, I'm kind of like blending it towards the orange, and then I'll go into the orange and then pack a little bit of that on there just so they blend together. You don't want any harsh lines. So going back into my little brush right here that I use the green, I ran it through my color switch, and then as you can see, no product on the hand. I'm gonna go in with the bright neon pink right here. And actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna darken the crease a little bit, and it turns into this sick, nasty, like reddish, pinkish. It all kind of blends together. Just trust me on this. I got this. I know what I'm doing. I've done it before. I'm gonna do it again. And for some reason, when I peck on that shade, it gets red, like right where the green is at, but then right where the crease is at, it turns like purple. Like if you look up really close, it looks purple. And I think that's so freaking cool because I didn't even use purple and it's there. Dang, you did that, BH Cosmetics x Chab collab. Just kidding, there's no collab. I love that combination. I think it looks kind of like acidy, weird and stuff. Is that even like a word? Acidy? I don't know. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. I will be using my Maybelline eyeliner here. This is the Lasting Drama Waterproof Gel Pencil in the shade Glossy Emerald, and I'm just gonna tight line. I'm gonna just go up in there. It's gonna look painful. It's not painful. It's just a little weird, that's all. Just my lash line getting a massage is all. I'm gonna take my Tweezerman lashes, curl them up to Jesus, hashtag curl lashes up to Jesus, and I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black mascara, and we're going to curl lashes, put on some mascara, put on some falsies, and we're gonna take the Sephora and House of Lashes collab. This is in Natalia. This is my favorite. You know her, she knows you. No, she does. She don't know you. She's too good for you. Anyway, let's go. All right, guys, so I had a little bit of trouble putting on my lashes. I didn't want it to be all wonky like Rich Lux. So I'm gonna go in and do the face, okay? So I'm gonna do this little sample here of the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer here. I got a little sample and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. And then today we'll be trying out a foundation that I'm gonna be doing a review on. Is new, is Gooch. I'm just gonna put it on. I'll leave it in the description just so y'all will know what it is, but I'm not gonna talk about it here because I don't want to have any spoilers. And for concealer today, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer and Contour. I'm going to take the shades C7 and C3 and I'm going to mix them together and put it under the eye. The lighter one, I'm going to put it closer to my eye, and then the darker one, which is C7, I'm going to put it lower to cover up the redness. So yeah, let's go. For powder today, I'll be using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Skin Perfector Micro Powder in the shade number 2 medium. And I'm gonna just kind of not only set but tone down this under eye because it's a little bright. It's a little bright. She like ooh, she looks sultry. Before we do the face, let's just finish up the eyes real quick. Okay, going back into the palette, I'm gonna take this nice teal color right here and I'm gonna blend that on my lower lashes with this Morphe M321 brush. Use code Yo Daddy because you won't save anything off, because your daddy, is he gonna buy you makeup? I don't know. My daddy didn't buy me makeup. Bought it myself. Hashtag not sponsored. So we're just working this into the outer half of our lower lash line up into here, this area. Also, what I'm gonna do is gonna take the color up and kind of blend it in to the outer corner up top, just a little bit, just slight, just so they connect. Okay, taking the same brush, I already cleaned it off in my color switch. I'm gonna go into this bright pink down here. It almost has like kind of like a purple-y hue. It's a little bit on the cooler side than this top pink right here. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna work it into the inner half of my lower lash line. So yeah. Then what I'm also gonna do is when I blend them in together, it should turn into a purple. That's what we want. That is the goal. All right, now taking my Morphe M506, I'm gonna take this neon orange color and I'm gonna blend right underneath all of that. Okay, lastly and finally, last eyeshadow, I promise. I will be taking the yellow here and I'm gonna blend it right underneath, but I'm gonna concentrate it like on the center. I'm gonna pack this on, make it bright, make it beautiful, make it extra, make it Chab. All right, so to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna take my mascara and I'm just working this on my bottom lash line. We gotta complete the look. We gotta make them all nice and beautiful and sweet and sassy. All right, so now we're going to bronze, we're going to blush, we're going to highlight, we're gonna put on a lip, and then we will complete this look. So let's, yeah, go. How could I forget? I didn't even do my eyebrows. I was so like interested in the look. I didn't even do it. I've been using lately the Kat Von Can't Vaccinate Her Kids D signature brow pencil. This is the Precision brow pencil in the shade medium brown. A really nice brow pencil. Like, it's beautiful. This is not the review on this, but I just gotta tell you right now, it's a really beautiful brow pencil, but this is probably gonna be the last product that I will be purchasing for Kat Von D. And that's all I'm gonna say right there. No controversies, okay? I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do my brows. Leave me alone. Stay out on my DMs. All right, guys, so how do I feel about the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil 35 eyeshadow palette? It is good. It is Chabapoo. I'm literally living my bright, bold fantasy right here. I'm living my best life with this palette right here. These have very vibrant, pigmented, beautiful shades right here. If you do not have any color in your collection, then you need to get a hold of this right away. I'm telling you right now, I'm pointing at you, you viewers. Get it. Get this palette. I'm serious. It is really good. It is... Oh. This is the, I can't say that word. This is the awesomest right here. This is poppin'. This is beautiful. You got your black. You got your colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. You got it all. You don't need anything else. This is it for you. They are nice. They are pigmented. And what's good about it is that they have a little bit of shimmers here, which I did not use today because I didn't feel like it, but let's just touch them real quick. So you can't go wrong with a nice rusty color there. Then we got this green. That's cool too. And then we're gonna do this blue, why not? Look at these colors, guys. It is a bang for your buck. You're only paying $18 regular price, or if you are buying it on sale right now for $13.50, that is also like a really good deal. Highly, highly, highly recommend this product right here. It is easy to access if you have an Ulta near you, or you can order off of bhcosmetics.com. I'll leave a link down below for them. They're not affiliate links. I don't get any money. They don't pay me. They should pay me, but they don't. BH Cosmetics. Porfa. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow me on all these social medias down below right here. And ding ding, hit that notification bell because, well, I make new videos every Friday. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions or what you would like to see next. As always, thank you for watching. Back to Brazilla. All right, so going back to the back into and this almost went down my throat.